which one do you want? The blue one or the red one?
Are you not gonna discuss? Okay, I'll have the blue one. Boop, beep, boop, beep. Do you have an extra seed for me? Boop, beep, boop, beep, boop.
I got mine on the first time.
What?
And yours here. There's one more. Try that one.
Boop. Wait, am I doing it wrong?
No, you're doing it right. Your parrot just doesn't love you. Yours is a picky eater.
Oh, I got it! I got it! I got
You
it!
got it?
I got it!
Then we
I got it! I got it! I did it, man! We need to take Instagram pictures.
Oh, yours fell.
Oh, stop falling off.
All right, we're gonna take them to the island and we're gonna name them.
Ooh, okay. Any suggestions?
Wait, do you want me to name both of them?
I don't know. I think.
You should name yours. It
Oh,
helps
wait,
you
what
get
are
attached
you
to
naming
it.
yours? What are you naming yours?
He's red, blue, and yellow, but he's mostly red. I'm gonna name him Strawberry.
Mine's gonna be Blueberry.
Blueberry
And Strawberry.
Yes!
I
love it.
Blueberry and Strawberry. Wait, is yours a boy or a girl?
I don't know. How do you check?
I'm pretty sure yours is a girl.
Is Blueberry a boy then?
Blueberry's a boy, yeah.
Oh my goodness. We need Blueberry and Strawberry babies.
What? No!
Yes!
No!
What?
No, only if they want to. We can't make that. No!
We can give them arranged marriages, Skeppy. It's okay.
No, but okay, fine, but like the kids part, it's only if they want to. I understand that it's nature. Fine. Okay. Blueberry, Strawberry would be blue, blue.
Oh, come on. We're just going to name the baby Kiwi. That's what we're going to name it.
Blue.
Skeppy, stop trying to combine the names.
I'm trying really hard.
I'm going to try and get him to do the thingy. Here we go.
To do what thingy?
No, I think I know how to do this. Hold on. I know the trick. You're supposed here. Put him in there.
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing?
We need to hold on, Skeppy. You give him some seeds and then
What?
privacy.
Oh,
Okay?
so you think if we open that up later, there's gonna be a raspberry in there?
Yeah, that's how this
I'm
works.
gonna check up on them. I'm gonna see how they're doing. See nothing.
Well, yeah, they were getting in the mood. and
No,
you
they
interrupted
weren't.
them.
Don't say
Yes.
that. He's only one.
Give them a second.
A second. Damn, he's quick.
Man, come on, guys, hurry up.
Stop. Let's just leave them for a little bit.
I want a raspberry.
Bad.
Skeppy.
Is this what you're gonna do with? I'm gonna check up on them.
Okay.
They don't
Go
want,
on.
They don't want you to check. They only want me
What?
to check.
Oh, fine. I'll stand over here. Is this far enough? Really? Are you kidding me? Okay, you know what? Fine. I'm just gonna stand right here. But there's a zombie.
Wait, Bad,
here.
listen.
Die.
Listen, Bad, listen.
Ooh.
Do you hear that?
Yes, I did.
I think we're
gonna have a raspberry.
gonna have a raspberry soon, Bad.
Yay!
Did you hear that?
Raspberry!
Oh my god, he's coming. He's on his way. Oh, Bad. Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my
What?
god. Oh my
What?
god. Raspberry's gonna turn out really weird.
What? Let's
Ooh,
just-
I see
7.
the base coming along.
A few moments later.
Skeppy, look! It's another bird! This one's green!
Ooh, oh my god, it's kiwi, strawberry, and blueberry fight! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! We have kiwi!
It was just
Oh
a
my
matter
god!
of time!
You were right! You were
my
right!
Oh,
You
quick,
were
we have
right.
to tame him.
Oh, okay, tame him.
Wait,
you
is
need
it a
seeds.
him or a her?
Oh, let me check. You check. I don't want to check.
How do you check? I'm not experienced in this.
I don't know experience in it either. You check.
Okay, come here, Kiwi. Come here. No, come here. Dang, how many seeds are you gonna eat?
Oh, I didn't know that.
I don't think Kiwi likes me.
Here, give it to me. Let me try. Come on,
Kiwi, stop!
Kiwi. Whoop. Oh, I got a first
What?
try.
First try. Kiwi likes you. Aww.
Oh.
All right, so we've got kiwi and blueberry and strawberry. That's so crazy. I knew it.
See, we just had to leave them alone with seeds, and eventually, boop, out came Kiwi.
Is that how it happened?
Yeah. Skeppy, I don't have to explain where babies come from, do I, to you?
You might. I don't know what happens with parrots.
Oh, you're right. Parrots are birds. Okay, so there had to be an egg first. I forgot about that. But, yay!
What?
Skeppy,
What
this is
that?
awesome.
Dad, what's Harvey talking about?
What do you mean? College, no! Language! Bad Harvey.
I am confused. Please,
No.
someone explain.
Oh, come on, Skeppy. Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, really?
Yeah,
Are you being serious?
yeah.
Like, you don't know what word he said, or you don't know what it is?
Oh, some epic xylophone. Got it.
Yes, that is what that means.
Gotcha.
It means xylophones.
Well, that doesn't make much sense at all, but you know what? I'm not going to question it.
It makes sense if you're a xylophonist, because then you play the xylophone.
Well,
Do you play the xylophone, Skeppy?
no.
Then it won't make sense to you.
Okay, Skeppy, when a man and a woman love each other.
No, ignore
What?
that, ignore that.
But they're
ignore
parrots. What does that have to do with
that.
xylophones?
Look, okay, I'm gonna give you the talk. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So you know how we have blueberry and strawberry.
Yeah.
Okay. So when one parrot likes another parrot,
But we just shoved them in there together. And
yeah,
Said,
yeah. Well, no, they liked each other because they were already next to each other when we found them first.
Okay.
So when one parrot likes another parrot, you get. Okay, hold on. Let me start over. Okay. So what happens is you have two parrots, right?
Yes.
And then one parrot's like, yo, hey, other parrot, do we vibe together? And the other parrot's like, yeah, we're chilling. And then they go out to dinner, which is why we gave them seeds. And they just chill, right? And then a couple hours later, boop, baby parrot.
So
That's how it works.
I go to dinner with someone. It goes boop, baby parrot.
Yes.
Well, I don't ever want to go to dinner with you ever.
What? Why?
I don't want to make a parrot with you.
No, you don't get parrots with people, Skeppy.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
But
no,
you
this
said
is
yes.
this just has to do with parrots.
Oh.
Just parrots.
Oh, I think I get it now. Okay. Okay.
They're following you.
Oh.
They TP unless you make them sit.
So should we take kiwi and blueberry and make boop?
No, one of them's
Oh.
the parents, Skeppy.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how it works. I was just asking.
No.
Okay.
You don't let the parent and the no.
Okay.
Okay, they don't have dinner together, but we can have blueberry and strawberry have dinner
They're
together.
from Alabama. Stop! I can't do this.
Skeppy, has anyone ever given you the birds and the bees talk?
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay, go ask your parents.
Why?
Just go ask them.
My mom's sleeping.
Okay, well, ask them later. Just say this. This is exactly what you're going to say.
Okay.
Go up to them and you're going to be like, Mom, Dad, can you tell me about birds and bees?
Really
Okay.
good at the xylophone. What does the xylophone have to do with it? I don't-
Okay, xylophones are... It's a code word.
Cookie. A code word.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to like decrypt the code.
Yeah,
Like a puzzle map, like the ones we keep doing.
exactly. There you go.
Okay,
Just
well-
don't worry about xylophones.
Phone. Yellow phone.
No, stop trying to decode it.
Well, you said I had to decode it.
No. Okay, I'll explain. I'll tell you. Xylophone.
Fox.
Just
Am I getting close?
No. Yes, you're
Fox.
very close. Fox. It's what does the fox say? You figured it out. That's the code word.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
That's another code word, isn't it?
No, that one's not a code word. Okay, so the xylophone thing refers to foxes.
Okay, so xylophone is to fox, like blueberry is to strawberry. Am I onto something?
Yes.
Out came kiwi because... Oh, God, I lost it again. I don't know. Ah! What was that? What did you just do? What did you just do? Did you just kill our parrot? You killed our parrot! What was that? You killed Blueberry! Where is Blueberry? Why? Why did you kill Blueberry? He was my son! Why? Why did you kill Blueberry? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Why? What is your explanation? What?